Alright guys, so today is Saturday, August 10th, 2019. I'm actually at the Flint River today. So what I've planned is this. I have those night crawlers I've had. I keep taking them in and out the refrigerator and they're starting to look pretty bad. So today's goal is just to use those night crawlers and see what fish species I can get on. I've actually never fished night crawlers at this location, so I'm interested to see if I can pull anything out that I haven't caught here. Who knows? I might get lucky, but I'm gonna go ahead and get rigged up and get started. I just had this. It's on. Oh, a drum. Alright, just got a new species for myself. First drum ever. Oh, fish on. Alright, fish number 2, bluegill. Cast right after the drum. There we go. Oh, hello, power bend. And I'm on. Oh, it's a good fish. What is that? Is that a bat? Oh, largie. Alright. Oh, well, that's a good fish. Alright, just got another species, little catfish. So I've been fishing for about an hour now. I've probably caught about 4 or 5 fish. I can't remember, but I just walked over to another spot. I probably have about another 30 minutes max I could fish, or probably about an hour. Alright, so the water's actually super stained brown. I actually went and tried to fish a different location this week that I've only made one video at before. When I got there, it was just unfishable. We've been having thunderstorms off and on here for about a week, and the water level had definitely risen and flooded. So hopefully I can get back there and make another video, but the water level, or the water's definitely risen here as well and stained. Oh, there we go, fish on. Alright, just got another bluegill. Fish on. Oh, I lost it. Shoot. Fish on. Nice bluegill. Let's get him back. Oh, fish on. Oh, a shell cracker. Alright, Alright, just got another species for the day. Right here, sunfish. Little shell crackers, get them back. I think something might be on this rod now. Yep. Oop. Alright, just got another bluegill. Fish on. Feels bigger. Oh, oh, what is that? I have no idea what it. Oh, it's a bass. Oh, come on. Oh, don't go into the tree. How's another? Oh, here it is. Oh, yes. Whew. On the top of the mouth. Nice. On the top of the mouth, man. Look at this. Nice size bass. Oh no, there's a worm. Just let him go. Alright, man. Nice healthy bass. Probably like a pound. Oop. There we go, fish on. Oh, no, what is... Man, big old shell cracker. I haven't caught a shell cracker this big since the beginning of the spring. I'll link the card in the right up here, but I went out and fished Madison County Lake and I got any big old shell crackers, but let's let this guy go. Beautiful fish. Alright guys, that's going to do it for the day. Ended up being a really great day of fishing. I got on one new species. I got that drum. I've been wanting one. Actually, I had mentioned to one of you guys that I've been wanting to get a drum. I've never caught one, so that was a plus, and all those other different fish I caught was a plus. But anyways, I hope you guys are having a fantastic week. Subscribe if you haven't. Tight lines. Take care.